Hello student, today we are going to discuss about the second part of the networking systems, and today topic is type of transmission media. Means we are going to discuss about the media means through which the data is travel is called the media. Next is that types of transmission media. First of all, we are going to discuss about the what is media. In a data communication technology, transmission media is the physical path between the transmission and the receiver. Means we can say that how the data is transferred. Means that there is the physical components like wireless, different type of media through which we transmit the data to the any type of media. Means that it can be the wire also, it can be the wireless also, and there are the mainly two type of media. One is that guided media and another is unguided media. We are going to first of all discuss about the guided media. There are the three type of guided media. First is the twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and optical fiber cable. Next is the unguided media. In this type there are three types: radio wave, microwave and infrared. These are the transmission mode of communication. Next we are discuss about the guided media. Guided media, it is also referred as the wire or bounded transmission media. Signals being transmitted are directed and conformed in a narrow path by using the physical link. Features of guided media are high speed, secure and used for the very short distance. Next topic is there are three major type of guided media. First topic is twisted cable. Means that it consists of two separately include the conductor's wire and wounded about each other. Generally, several such pairs are bundled together in a protective stand. They are the most widely used in transmission media. Twisted cable is two steps. First is UTP, unsealed twisted pair. We are going to discuss about the UTP. This type of cable has the ability to the block interface and does not depend upon a physical seal for this purpose. It is used for telephonic application. Advantage of UTP: least expensive, easy to install, high speed capacity. And disadvantage of UTP means we are going to discuss about the disadvantage. Means we can say that lower capacity and performance in the comparison to the STP. Short distance transmission due to the alteration. Means we can say that it is the not as faster than STP. Next is the STP, sealed twisted pair. This type of cable consists of the special jacket to the block the external interface. It is used in fast data rate Ethernet and in voice and data channel for telephone line. Advantage: better performance at the higher data rate in comparison of UTP and comparatively faster. And disadvantage are that comparatively difficult to install and the manufacture, more expensive and bulky. This is the feature of and disadvantage of the STP. Next is we are going to discuss about the coaxial cable. It has the outer plastic covering containing two parallel conductors, each having a separate insulated protective cover. Coaxial cable transmit information in two modes: base band mode, dedicated cable bandwidth, and the broadband mode. Means cable where bandwidth in split into separate range. Cable TV and analog television network widely used for the coaxial cable. Advantage of coaxial cables, high bandwidth, better noise immunity, and easy to install and expand and extensively. Means disadvantage: single cable failure can disturb the entire network. It is the disadvantage of coaxial cable. Next is the optical fiber cable. It uses the concept of the reflection of light through a core made of a glass or plastic. The core is surrounded by a less dense glass or the plastic covering called the cladding. It is used for transmission of large volume of data. Advantage of the optical fiber cable: it increases capacity and bandwidth, lightweight, less signal alteration, and immunity of the telemagnetic interface and resistance to corrosive material. This is the advantage of the optical fiber cable. Next is that disadvantage of optical fiber cable: difficult to install and maintain, high cost, and it is the very high cost to maintain, and it need more fiber if we need the bandwidth and magnification. Means that we can say that it is very costly to install the fiber optical cable. Next is that unguided media. It is also refers to the wireless or the unbounded transmission media. No physical media is required for transmission electromagnetic signals. Features of the unguided media: first is signal is broadcasted through the air, less secure. It is used for large distance, and there are mainly three types of unguided media. First is radio wave. These are the easy to generate and can penetrate through the building. The sending and receiving antenna need to not to be the anine frequency range is 3 kHz to the 1 GHz AM. And FM radio and the cordless phones are used for the radio transmission. Further, we can say that there are two types: terrestrial and the satellite. Terrestrial means that signal which is sent through by the one tower to the another tower, and satellite means that the signals, there are the satellite signals station through which the signal are sent to the satellite, and satellite receive the signal and again it sent to the respective signal transmission components. Next is that microwave. It is a line of sight transmission that is sending and the receiving the antenna need to be properly aligned with each other. The distance covered by a signal is directly proportional to the height of the antenna. Frequency range is 1 GHz to the 300 GHz. These are the majority used for the mobile phone communication and the television distribution. Means that we can say that in this microwave all antennas should be in the proper and way through which the signal can transmit from one antenna to the another antenna, and this way we can transmit the signal to the antenna, and all the mobile communication and television communication receive the microwave to work smoothly. Next is that infrared. Infrared wave are used for the very short distance. It can be blocked by the any substances like the wall, and it is always work in the straight wave, and its range is not so high, 300 GHz to the 400 GHz. It is used in the TV remotes, wireless mouse, keyboard, printer, etc. Thank you.